Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope everyone is having a fantastic holiday season. This video is very late. I am so sorry that it's coming out so late. I had a lot of technical difficulties getting this video up and running, and then I had some copyright infringement on the original video, so I had to redo it and send it back out to YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Carole R here, and this tablescape is themed in green, white, and silver for the Christmas holiday. You're going to see my tablescape, and you're also going to see my mantle and my Christmas tree decorated. I want to thank everyone for stopping by. My oldies, you know who you are, and I thank you for coming. And for those who are just watching for the first time, thank you for watching. I hope you become a part of the Tablescapes by Carole R family by subscribing. And for my new subscribers, those who have just come on board, thank you. I hope you will enjoy this video. And I hope that you have a healthy, happy, prosperous new year as well. And I'll see you in the next one.